Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use warp disks in High on Life. These disks are essential to accessing new areas and advancing in the game, and understanding how to use them effectively will help you explore the world more efficiently. Let's dive in. Step 1. Collect warp disks. Throughout your journey in High on Life, you'll find warp disks hidden in different locations. These are key items you need to progress. You'll encounter them while exploring planets or completing missions. Step 2. Access the warp drive. Once you have a warp disk, head to your warp drive. The warp drive is typically located in your ship, and it's where you'll use the disks to travel between different locations in the game. Step 3. Insert the warp disk. To use a warp disk, approach the warp drive terminal on your ship. Select the warp disk from your inventory. Insert the warp disk into the terminal to unlock new areas. Some warp disks may lead to specific locations or hidden zones, while others might be part of story progressions. Step 4. Travel to new areas. After inserting a warp disk, select your destination on the map and initiate the warp. The disk will activate the warp drive, and you'll be transported to the new area. Step 5. Explore and use warp points. While exploring, you can also place warp points in certain areas using the warp disks to quickly travel between spots you've already discovered. This helps with fast travel, making backtracking much easier. Conclusion. Warp disks in High on Life are key tools to unlocking new locations and speeding up exploration. Collect them as you progress, and make sure to use them wisely at the warp drive to uncover hidden areas or fast travel around the map. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more High on Life guides, tips, and tricks. Happy warping!